I just wanted to make a difference. It's delivering that patient care. My dad passed away with cancer while I was 14, and we used to have our family doctor, who I see till today. I went into the doctor's surgery and he was like, "You're going to pass this and you're going to get this degree for your dad." And I thought, once I've got my experience, I can specialise and I can deliver that treatment and maybe one day make someone better and maybe cancer-free. When the pandemic hit, I opted in to do ICU as my placement. I had a couple of friends who had ICU as well, so I thought I'll have that support bubble who I can share the experience with. When I started, I found it very difficult, but I'm glad I went through that experience, because sometimes being thrown in the deep end, it can bring out something that you don't think you have, and I think I built that confidence over time. You need to have it in you to do the job. It's not all paperwork, it's all hands-on and getting involved with the patient and experiencing their journey with them. Because I had that vision, I thought, you know what, I'm going to push myself. It's made me feel like I can be a great nurse. This is Bradford. This is where my vision becomes a reality.